Now we're going to take our model and make a copy from our floor plan into a new drawing in order to make a space plan. This will allow you to use the copy clipboard. So select the items, right click, clipboard. That lets you copy and paste from one file to the other. So I'll do a copy, and then I'll go to my new drawing, and I'll just paste. And I'll put it at 0, 0 just to do it. Now let me check my units. I just changed this. It was decimal inches. I just changed it to architectural inches because that's what we had before. Check over here on our line weights. Our line weights need to be in inches. Just things that you remember to check. And if I check my distance, this should come out to be 36 feet. 36 feet. So my copy went right. So now I have a clean model. And I'm asked to save this as company standard space plan. And I'll call this lab demo again. So there we go. But now I have kind of this empty drawing. It's still not got a lot of stuff in it. So let me go ahead and get the things that I need. There's something called the Design Center, DC. And I can click my Open Drawings. And I can get all the dim styles from one and put it in the other. And all the layers from one. And I'm just holding my left mouse down and dragging them in. Look at that, they're all in there. I can even bring in my layouts. I'm going to get rid of all those dimensions because I don't want them. Yeah, it looks like I froze up here for a moment. There we go. Isn't that cool? I was able to do that. And of course, I have to make some changes down here. I can do my line types. They're already in there. My multi-leaders section, all of these things, my text styles. About that, let me bring in all of the text styles so that I've got my CBT City blueprint. All right, so that's a really quick way to get all of the stuff from another drawing into your new drawing. So that's my step one of the activity. It's getting myself set to make my space plan.